think we're good to go. I think. Alright, we're finally doing it. We're talking about the ecosystem. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. We all know about the Apple ecosystem. Apple products just work so damn well together. Like everything works like magic, quite literally. The way you can conveniently send files using AirDrop, or the way you can answer calls on your MacBook, or just copying on one device and pasting on the other. Everything just works. That's the main point over here. Everything just works so well together and it is very, very convenient. But there's always a but. The Apple ecosystem is a big trap. It all starts with your first Apple product. Your first Apple product is the main one. Some people instantly fall in love with their Apple products and the other people regret spending so much money and making Apple richer. If you belong to the second category, then you are safe from the ecosystem trap. But if you belong to the first category, then my friend, you are in trouble because the Apple ecosystem trap just begins. You see, Apple has developed a very good portfolio around their products. For example, if you buy an iPhone, then the next on the list is AirPods and Apple Watch. It's natural, right? If you buy a Mac, the next on your list will be AirPods or dongles. If you buy an iPad, the next on your list will be Apple Pencil or the keyboard. Everything works very well together and Apple has figured out a way to trap you in this ecosystem. You see, most people don't stop at one Apple product. The main reason for that is the convenience of these products working so well together. It's natural, humans will prefer convenience because why not, right? Convenience is the main thing after all. And Apple has done a commendable job in offering that convenience with their products. Apple controls hardware as well as software and they can offer a lot of convenience in their products, and that's exactly what they do. They offer features which are like magic and they just work. It's not like those features are a gimmick, they do work and Apple markets the hell out of them. I have seen this a lot happening around my friend circle. First they'll buy an iPhone and a couple of months later they will want AirPods. Like AirPods are a prime example of this ecosystem trap. Apple removed the headphone jack and instantly started selling AirPods. Basically they started charging you 15,000 rupees to offer a solution to the problem that they just created. A lot of people were annoyed that Apple removed the headphone jack, but most of them adapted very quickly to AirPods. The same person that would not spend 1,000 rupees on a pair of wired earphones started buying AirPods because it's just so convenient. You remove one earbud from your ear, the music will stop playing. You pop it back in, your music will resume. You have touch controls, you have Siri, you have amazing microphones, and the battery life is good as well. And it's funny how people spend so much money without realizing the value of that product. Like they're a pair of earbuds. Seriously, pair of earbuds for 15,000 rupees, that is just insane. People have seen the commercials, they know about the features and they are ready to spend the cash as well. That is what surprises me. The next point that comes in is status symbol. This is the main reason why Apple is doing so well. Status symbol. Now I do not know about other countries, but this happens a lot in India. People associate iPhones with a good status in the society. Like when I pull out the iPhone 13 from my pocket, people are like, whoa, do you have an iPhone 13? That phone is awesome. And they instantly start judging me. Like they feel like this person is good, he owns an iPhone, he might have a lot of money, he might have a good background, and they instantly start judging because of that iPhone. Status symbol is a very deadly thing and it works over here in India. People associate Apple products with good status, and that is kind of weird. Like it's very weird to me that you would buy a phone just for the status. I've seen kids torture their parents to buy the iPhone 13 Pro. Oh so Pro. They want that phone, they've seen the commercials, they just want that phone. They know that they are going to be okay with the 15,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees phone. But no, we want that iPhone because that iPhone has status in the society, and this status driven mindset is not going to take you anywhere. It's going to cost you a lot of money, but it's not going to take you anywhere. That is deadly. Now don't take me wrong, I myself have fallen for this trap and that's why I'm making this video today. Year on year Apple launches new products and I find myself buying them for no reason whatsoever. For example, I had an iMac right over here and I was perfectly happy with it. I used to edit all my videos on an iMac, and when I bought that iMac I made a very good decision because the MacBooks at that time were not that good. So I bought the iMac, I was very happy with it, and then Apple launched the M1 MacBook Air. I instantly bought the M1 MacBook Air without thinking twice just because I wanted the convenience of a laptop. I did not have any laptop, I wanted one. I could be happy with the 30,000 rupee laptop, but I bought the M1 MacBook Air and then realized I do not need two Macs. So I sold the iMac. That was a good decision again, but you get the point, right? I did not need two Macs, but still I bought one. So it is very easy to fall into the trap. Take AirTags for example. I bought a 3000 rupees GPS tracker for no reason whatsoever. It fits very well into the ecosystem. It's a very cool product and now I regret it because I barely use it. I've put it on my keys, but I don't lose my keys that often. So yeah, you get the point, right? Can you relate to this? If you can, then please let me know about that in the comments down below. If I sit and calculate the amount of money that I spent on Apple products, it's going to be a lot and it is definitely going to give me a headache. That's why I don't think about it. But I'm not trying to say that all Apple products are way too expensive and not worth it at all. If you're using Apple products as an essential tool in your life, then you're going to love these products. For example, Macs have played a very important role in my career. I do all my video editing on Final Cut Pro, which is a Mac exclusive software and that works really well. I owe my career to Final Cut Pro and I really love Macs for that reason. They're a very essential tool in my life. So investing in Macs definitely makes sense for me. But it's the ecosystem around the Mac that hurts the most. iPhone, iPad, Apple Pencil, AirPods, Apple Watch, everything hurt a lot because they are very expensive and definitely burn a hole in my pocket. That sounded weird, right? That sounded very weird. I should not have said that, but yeah, you get the point. Now, how to be safe from this Apple ecosystem trap? Well, here's one way that you can follow. If you want to buy an Apple product, add that product in your cart and do not buy it for a month. Wait till a month, and after a month, if you still want to buy it, then you can buy it. But in that month, be patient and 9 out of 10 times you won't buy it because you don't need it. See how that works? Patience. That's what I like in life. Patience is of prime importance. But yeah, basically you can try to be safe from this trap. If you do not need AirPods, don't buy them because there are very good alternatives in the market and they start at 3000 rupees, 4000 rupees or even less than that. If you don't like wearing watches, do not buy the Apple Watch because you will have to charge that watch daily and that is a headache. If you're not an artist, do not buy the Apple Pencil because it is of no use. I own an iPad and an Apple Pencil and I rarely use the Apple Pencil. It's of no use to me. It looks very cool in front of people, but it's of no use to me. So yeah, I guess you get the point. Do not buy things that you don't need, save that money and thank me later. The Apple ecosystem trap is real and please be safe from it. So anyway, this was a very quick and fun video. I really wanted to do this from a very long time and finally I'm doing it. If you like this video, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.